Here I've got ALCATEL 1X from 2019, and let me show you how to activate and use test mode on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone gather, and now let's enter a secret code, which is *pound 2886 pound. And as you can see, now we are in testing mode, so you can either pick some automatic test, just click on auto, or you can test your device manually. So let me go through manual test, and as you can see here, you can check all the features that you have in your device. So you can check touch panel, LCD, then also keypad, camera, like both of them, front and back camera, receiver, speaker, charger, vibration, USB, LG sensor, battery temperature, Wi-Fi. You can also perform factory reset here. You can check the battery level and, for example, also read your memory lifetime. So let me show you some of them, some of those tests. Let's start with keypad. And now let's just click on volume up, volume down, power key, back, home, e-menu. So as you can see, it's working properly. Let me click on pass. Now we can check, for example, speaker. As you can hear, it's working properly. Let me click on pass. Then we can check receiver. And this is also working good. So let me click on pass. Now let's check vibration. You can hear it, I can feel it. It's working pretty good. So let me click on pass. If you would like to check whichever other option, just click on it and then you will be aware of the details. So let me show you the battery level. Just click here, and as you can see, the current battery level is 65%. So this is it. And this is how you can test your device, smoothly enter the secret code and then check any feature that you would like to check, that you would like to test. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.